When you walk through a forest, you probably think you are looking at thousands of individual trees, all competing for the same sunlight and water. But you aren't. Beneath your feet is a hidden biological interstructure so complex, scientists compare it to the neural pathways of the human brain. Every single tree in a mature forest is physically wired together. They are connected by a microscopic underground internet made of thread-like fungi called a mycorrhizal network. And this network isn't just absorbing water, it is transmitting information. For decades, humans assumed nature was just a brutal, selfish fight for survival. But when scientists injected radioactive carbon into a single tree to see where it went, they made a discovery that completely broke that assumption. The tree wasn't hoarding its food, it was sharing it. If a tree is shaded and dying, stronger trees in the sunlight will pump their own excess sugar down into the root system, routing it through the fungal web to feed the weaker tree. The forest is literally keeping its sick members alive. But the system goes much deeper than just sharing food. It turns out trees have a chemical defense grid. If a tree on the edge of the forest is attacked by insects, it sends chemical distress signals down into the fungal network. Within hours, trees miles away receive the warning through their roots and begin producing toxic defense chemicals in their leaves before the bugs even arrive. The forest acts as one giant coordinated immune system. And then, researchers discovered something even more astonishing. The oldest, largest trees in the forest, the mother trees, act as central hubs for this entire biological internet. And incredibly, they can recognize their own children. By reading the chemical signatures in the fungal web, a mother tree can distinguish her own genetic offspring from stranger saplings. If her babies are struggling in the dark, she will intentionally alter her root structure to make room for them and pump extra nutrients specifically to her own kin. And when a mother tree is nearing the end of her life, she does something beautiful. Before she dies, she dumps her entire life savings of carbon, defense chemicals, and biological memory directly into the network, passing her wisdom down to the next generation. So the next time you walk through the woods, remember this. A forest is not a collection of isolated trees. It is a single, ancient, thinking organism, quietly communicating.